Hey everybody, Connor here with Brad Deary, Makokata, Iowa. Just wanted to take the time to show you all this awesome 2018 Wrangler Sahara. It does have a factory lift kit on it, Mopar made. The aftermarket front bumper, or front grille I guess I should say. Matching color hardtop. Aftermarket rims. Definitely a cool style on this color for sure. Running boards. Hop inside here. It's got 36,000 miles. No accidents. It's got your off-road pages, navigation included. Does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is a very fun thing to use. Dual climate control, four-wheel drive, of course. Super clean inside. No rips, tears, or anything in the seats. Yeah, here at Brad Deary, let us know. We're here to help you.